Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can add extent report to my Appium framework. As you can see, I have two test cases, test YouTube, allow button click, etc. and scroll to bottom in the main folder, right? So how I can have the same as a report to have an ExtentSparkReporter? For that, guys, I just have to add this dependency, event stack extent reports, it should be more than 5. So if the version is more than 5, it's a Spark reporter that is still there, but extent HTML reporter is deprecated. So let us add the code. So before adding the capabilities, we can add it here. So extent reporter, we can have the extension. As you can see, I have added two things. I have added static variable for extent reporter, extent, and I'm adding a reports folder if the reports folder exists. If it's not exist, it will make the directory. And I'm saving my report as extent.report.html, giving the absolute path. And after that, desired capabilities will start. It's a simple YouTube application. So let me save it. And we have to add few more things. We have to add test.pass, test.fail. If each and every step passes, you have to add test.pass. And you can add it in a try and catch block to, if there is any exception, it will catch the error. And you can log it in test.fail. So I've entered the two things here. I can remove this thread, right? So I've created the test for test YouTube and I have created the test for allow button click. So I'm running this two only, okay? So let me now run this. Run as Java application. So now it should be able to create that reports. So it has now launched the YouTube. It will click on allow notifications. And now it should be able to search as a technocoder. That's it. Results have been established. So as the technocoder has been added. Now you should be able to see the two test cases are there, allow button click and test YouTube. The both have got passed. And also there is one more metric where you can see the timeline and also the events which have passed. Two test cases have passed. This is the time which we have run. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.